The top 20 best Indian dishes. With all the sumptuous dishes, intricate ingredients, and tongue-tickling flavors, there is a lot of good Indian food, and Indian cuisine is one of the most popular cuisines in the world. Some of the most popular Indian dishes incorporate a whole palette of flavors, sweet, sour, spicy, tangy, all at once. It is an amalgamation of a wide net of spices, pulses, seasonings, and cereals. Every region in India has its own unique cuisine indigenous to that locale. The types and varieties of dishes available in India are innumerable, all equally delectable. To start this list, I will introduce you to some of the famous Indian dishes that you can find in Indian restaurants. Wait and see what delicacies are waiting for you to explore. Number 20, Mutter Paneer. This one's for the vegetarian in you. Mutter Paneer is a North Indian curry made with cubes of paneer, a soft fresh cheese like cottage cheese. It's mixed with peas and a tomato and onion-based sauce. Slurp it up with naan or chapatis. Number 19, Lamb Kebab. How about these lamb kebabs? The idea might be the same since both chicken Seekh and lamb kebab are made of minced or ground meat mixed with spices. You can easily see the most apparent taste difference because of the main protein. The yogurt marinade will allow you to enjoy the tender part of the meat while still preserving the distinctive grassy and robust lamb flavors. Remember to serve the food with fresh herbs and naan to enhance the refreshing feel and balance the whole experience. Number 18, Chicken Seekh Kebab. To be honest, there are more than 15 other types of kebab or grilled meat skewer, but I think Seekh Kebab is worth trying first. This is also a widely beloved dish in Bangladesh and many other countries due to its irresistible flavors and tender, yet juicy texture. The meat will be mixed with various spices, put on the skewers, and grilled on charcoal or pan. You can be amazed at how juicy, flavorful, and delightful the chicken meat will be if it is the first time you give it a try. Believe me, once you start with the first one, you will crave the next. The dish will taste even better if you enjoy it with a glass of classic Indian cocktail. Are you ready to try it as soon as possible? Number 17, Fish Masala. I was immediately impressed by the fatty taste of coconut milk, the aromatic hint of methi leaves, a bit of fleshy, and the natural sweetness of fish on the first try. All of the taste layers are mixed pleasingly to provide a delectable and appealing Indian curry that will delight even the most discerning palates. Ensure that you choose the fish you like among karam meena, black sole, sardine, or mackerel since those are usually used. Number 16, Chicken Tikka Biryani. India is famous globally as the kingdom of spices, and this chicken biryani dish is not out of the list. It requires a lot of effort and ingredients to create a perfect biryani, but the tastes are genuinely payoff. The typically spongy basmati rice grains are cooked just enough and then well mixed with the main protein, seasoned, marinated, and processed extremely meticulously. The dish looks like a rustic aesthetic on the plate. And because it needs time to prepare, this hearty dish is often used in family dinners or after prayer on weekends. However, believe me when I say chicken tikka is a worth trying Indian first course that will knock your socks off due to how delicious it tastes. Number 15, Lamb Vindaloo. This Indian Lamb Vindaloo is among the first ranks in the spiciest foods globally. This food beginning with V is a traditional pork dish of Goan people living on the Indian southwestern coast. When coming to other parts of the country, the ingredients in this famous Goan dish are changed into lamb, prawns, chicken, or veggies to suit each region's culture. The locals might also use more typical hot spices. All of that makes this dish also become even more prevalent. If you want to have more exciting experiences with spicy dishes, this dish should be on the list to try. Number 14, Samosa. You might have seen the variants of this food from other countries, but the Indian ones are genuinely distinctive. They are fried pastries with fillings and are usually eaten as a snack rather than a main dish. However, on some occasions, samosa can be a fantastic side dish. You can serve samosa as scrumptious accompanying food for butter chicken. This is also an amazing appetizer to cook in air fryers, especially if you want to cut down the grease for a healthier lifestyle. Samosa's exterior will be made of all-purpose flour, and the fillings will vary from veggies, cauliflower, peas, potatoes, meat, lamb, and fish. Other sweet variants with coconut and Indian condensed milk, khoya, are perfect for a sweet tooth. Number 13. Lassi. Lassi is an exotic Indian beverage made of fermented goat milk and is usually served cold when the heat strikes. There are three main types of lassi: plain, salted, and sweetened. To flavor this appetizing drink, they will add some blended juice from native fruits in India. Thanks to that, the taste is more refreshing and brightening than ever. For a delicious breakfast in summer, add some peach to lassi. The flavor combination will be divine. Puri with both filling and sauce, and you can have all of the taste in one bite. Number 12. Masala Chai. Besides the main ingredients, which are plain milk, Masala Chai tea has a variety of additional components like black tea, ginger, and a range of masala spices, including cloves, cinnamon, and cardamom. In some variations, they will add some anise and coriander seeds. The above mixture of spices will help improve your immune system and warm you up. If you have a chance to go to India, you will find many small food stalls selling it on the street. Number 11. Rogan Josh. Rogan Josh is a famous dish in India's Kashmir region. The curry originated in Persia with a braised lamb. When it arrived in India, they created another variant of goat meat besides the original one. The main protein, lamb/goat, is usually marinated with various Indian signature spices, especially Kashmir pepper. Those things also help create the appealing red-hot sauce that goes with the dish. This stew will perfectly match with steaming hot Indian rice or naan, and I cannot wait to give it a try. An alluring Rogan Josh dish is made like this. How stunning! Number 10. Dhokla. Coming from the Indian state of Gujarat is the Dhokla. Dhoklas are made with fermented batter derived from split chickpeas and rice and can be eaten for virtually any course. Dhoklas are eaten in India as side dishes, for breakfast, as the main course, and even as a snack at events such as parties and weddings. Dhoklas are best served with green mint sauce and a sweet tamarind sauce and are usually yellow. Dhoklas have many variations to them. They can be prepared with various ingredients with different ratios of chickpeas. Number 9. Tandoori Chicken. Tandoori chicken is another North Indian dish that may have been around in 3000 BC. Tandoori chicken derives its name from the vessel it's cooked in, known as a tandoor oven. It is a cylindrical shaped oven that is powered by burning wood or charcoal. The tandoor oven is made of either clay or metal and offers a distinct taste to meals cooked within it. Tandoori chicken consists of chicken marinated for a few days in a mixture of yogurt and tandoori masala, a blend of traditional Indian spices. Following this, the chicken is then cooked. Number 8. Murgh Makhani. This dish is quite similar to the famous chicken tikka masala since they are all curries and require tomato sauce as the soup base. In this real Indian treat for dinners, the chicken meat will be tastefully tender and soaked with the tomatoes' sourness and mild sweetness. With the addition of full cream milk and butter, the dish's harmonization is effectively lifted thanks to the fatty, creamy tastes. Number 7. Idli. The next dish I want to introduce to you is an extremely popular breakfast dish in India that has its origin from ancient times. It may look quite simple, but the preparation will take a while because the rice part of the cake needs to be fermented. As idli is made from fermented rice, it's an ideal dish to make when there's leftover rice. This will reduce the waiting time for the rice to ferment, and it can also cut down on food wastage. Since it includes beans, rice, toppings/dip sauces, and a few spices depending on the regional variation, I can guarantee that this food with as the starter won't be boring. Number 6. Pani Puri. Pani Puri, or Golgappa, are thought to originate from the northern state of Bihar. A perfect street-side snack, Pani Puri are hollow deep-fried balls made of semolina or wheat. They're served alongside spicy potatoes, chickpeas and a spicy tamarind water. Eating pani puri is an experience in itself, as you traditionally crack open the top of the deep-fried shell with a spoon before filling it with the delicious accompaniments. Most Indians eat each pani puri with one swift bite, to save any of the filling spilling out of the delicate case. This infamous street snack unites most of the country. Everyone from local college students to city businessmen can be found devouring them. Number 5. Naan. Naan or Indian flatbread is made from various simple ingredients like flour, water, yogurt, and yeast. Indians will make the flour, let the mixed batter wait before flattening it up and baking it inside a traditional charcoal oven, tandoori. There are many types of traditional naan, such as blank, Peshawar, with various dried foods or nuts, culture, mixed with tomato and onion, paneer, Indian-style cheese, or keema, with lamb or goat meat. The taste of this dish also depends on the type you choose. Number 4. Vada Pav. The food has many names. You can call it in various other names like Vada Pav, Vada Pav, etc. It all refers to a famous street food originating from Mumbai streets in the 1960s and becoming a prevalent treat in Maharashtrian cuisine nowadays. The meat patty-like part stuffed inside this delicious sandwich from India is actually potato balls. They are usually mixed with green chili and garlic chili sauce and fried until crispy brown. That is a delicacy you should definitely try once in a lifetime. Number 3. Dal Makhani. The main ingredient in Dal Makhani is black beans, urad, kidney beans, rajma, butter, and cream. The components might be basic, yet the preparation process is quite lengthening that might last up to 24 hours. Because of that, in the past, this dish was more frequently served on meaningful occasions like family gatherings or national holidays. Nowadays, thanks to the development of technology, the cooking time is reduced to 2 or 3 hours only so that you can have it anytime when visiting this beautiful country. Number 2. Chaat. Synonymous with Delhi's street food vendors, chaat is one of India's most delicious savory snacks. The name derives from 3 Hindi words meaning a delicacy, licking one's fingers and to devour with relish, and this dish truly does live up to its heritage. Although there's now a plethora of different varieties, the original chaat is a wonderful combination of diced potato pieces, crispy fried bread and chickpeas garnished with fresh coriander leaves, yogurt and dried ginger and tamarind sauce. Make like a local and seek out a local dhaba, where the city's specialist chaat variety will be available at nearly all times of day. Number 1. Masala Dosa. This Indian-style crepe consists of a crust made from rice flour and lentils, which is called dosa, fried until crispy golden brown and stuffed with mashed potatoes mixed with some spices, chana dal, mustard seeds, and so on. If you don't want your masala dosa to have potatoes, you still can have other options to add to this dish whose name starts with M. My top recommendation is cauliflower, but other vegetables are fine too. Indians will love to use this dish for a light and quick breakfast. When eating, you will clearly feel the crispiness of the dosa and the fatness of the potato filling. The peppery notes from the spices mixed accentuate everything. Do subscribe Travel and Taste channel and like videos. For further videos, stay connected.